When should entrepreneurs actually ignore what their lawyers tell them? I know this might be shocking, but there are times where I tell clients to ignore my legal advice because it makes sense for them and their business. I do sometimes advise clients that while the law says this, it may make sense for them to take a risk outside of the law, not break the law, that's very different, but that they take a risk that's sort of outside the black and white boundary of what the law looks like. Example of this is when the industry regulation hasn't caught up with the business itself. I see this a lot in the tech industry where there are things that are happening, things are changing day by day, and it's just impossible for the state to catch up for their regulatory compliances. And so again, while I'm not going to advise a client to break the law, I am likely going to give them alternate scenarios or things that they may or may not be able to do or be willing to do. And I'll advise them of what the law says and then have a conversation with them about what they could do within the scope or bounds of the law that might push the boundaries just a little bit.